Good morning, Standard 7. Today we are going to read the rest part of chapter 7, that is more about Flash CS3. Okay, layer in the Flash CS3. Up to this, we already had read. Today we are going to read animation in Flash. Animation means changing the properties of the objects. Okay, and Flash provides several type of animations. The first one is motion twin animations. Motion twin animation is an animation that is created by the specifying different values for an object properly in different frames. Okay, and motion twins are very common way to create the animations. It helps in minimizing the file size, particularly our frame by frame animations. So about frame by frame animations we will talk later. Click on the insert tab, how to create motion twinning. Create on the insert tab, select the timeline option, and the timeline option will display various sub options. Among them, select create motion twin options. Okay, you need to select motion twin options, and the moment you click on the create motion twin option, their various sub options will appear beneath the flash window and make desired what modifications. Okay, because in the previous class I told you that here we are talking all about the modifications. Frame by frame animations, what? It changes the content of the stage in every frame, and this type of animation is used when you draw every frame of the animations. Okay, and simply the same step will be followed here. Just you need to click on create frame by frame animation, and the rest all line will be same like motion twin animations. Okay, using the gradients, students, here Flash can create the number of paints effects in the addition to solid colors, and gradients are made up of two more colors that gradually fade into each other, and they can be used to give the depth of an object or create the realistic shadows. Two gradient modes are available here. One is linear, another is radial. Okay, linear gradients are made up of parallel bands or colors. Okay, and remember that the radial gradients radiate from a center local point, and both can be edited for the colors positions within a fill or a stroke. So you can add up the 16 colors to the gradient, precisely control the locations of the gradient focal point, and apply the other parameters. Okay, and remember a gradient behaves like any other fill or stroke, and it can be saved to the palettes as a watch using the color mixture panel option, and can be added to the other shapes with the paint bucket tool. Also in the previous chapter we are reading how to use the gradient. First step is with a arrow select tool, select the fill or stroke of the shape on the stage. Second one is in the color mixer panel, click the type drop down arrow. Okay, and then click the linear or radial as you choose. Then click on the overflow drop down arrows, and then select the gradient overflow styles. Position the pointer on the color mixer panel. It will display a plus sign next to the pointer. Okay, so this is all about how to using the gradients. How to adjusting the gradient line fills. After you create the gradient fills, you can transform it by adjusting the size, rotations, width, center of the fill with the gradient transform tool. Okay, for a radial gradient, you can now adjust the focal point, that is on center of a gradient fill applied to an object, And you can also use the gradient transform tool to modify a what? Bitmap fill. Okay, bitmap fill. How to adjust? First point is click on the gradient transform tool present in the free transform tool, which is present in the tool panel. And the moment next step is the moment you click on the gradient transform, you will see a circle around the object and make the changes by dragging the various arrows, or else you can use the options given on the right side of the plus windows. And the step 3, you will notice that changes will be made to your creations, that is final. Okay, aligning the object in the Flash CS3. How to align the object in the Flash CS3? The first point that we need to follow is click on the modify tab, then select the align options. It will display a list of options, and select on the required option. You will see that the desired changes will be made on the object. Next thing, movie clip symbol in Flash. Movie clip symbol. Okay, movie clip, sometimes we are making also movie clip. A movie clip symbol in the Flash CS3 like a mini movie. And the advantage is that it will play according to its own timeline and does not depend on the main scene's timeline. And it is great for repetitive animations that form a part of entire Flash movie. Now how to change into the movie clip? Click on the modify tab, select the convert to symbol. A convert symbol dialog box will appear showing the various symbols, that is 3 symbols, that is movie clip, button or graphics. Select the movie clip and click on OK. Okay, there your movie clip symbol. The movie clip is already prepared. Break apart groups and objects. To separate the groups, instances and bitmaps into the ungrouped editable elements, you break them apart, which reduce the file size and imported graphics. That means click on modify tab. The first step is click on the modify tab and select simple the break apart option. The selected group will be or object will be separated from the where? From group 1. Okay. This is what all about this chapter. The question answer will be sent soon. Thank you.